This is BB Ventures Arts. I'm here to train you on a simple design, petals. Now today I'm going to use an artificial cap, fascinator cap. Look at this cap. You can get it in the market. It's already made. You get it in Lagos Island or wherever they are selling art material. I'm going to use my feather to design this art. It's a customer work. I'm going to use it to design it. I'm going to use my rose, my Alice band. You need your needle and you need your wax candle gum. Also your scissors. The length of it is 12. It's normal crinoline. To create your petals, you fold it like this. Then you fold the mouth down. You take your needle and thread. You tie it down. You tie it like this. Then secure it very well. After that, take your needle and do the hemming to the end, the way I'm doing it. And draw it together. Some other design on it, like this spiral bow. I'm going to add it to design this fascinator. The next thing to do is to join all my design together. Remember, it's a customer work. I'm just using it to train you so that you can do your own. You can see the design, see the petals, the bow. Then take your, place it on it like this. I'm going to tack it to the cap. This feather, look at this feather. You can bend it to any side like this. You can straighten it, but make sure that you hold it well so that it will not remove. At times, I normally use gum to hold it inside. I just put it inside and use the feather to hold it together so that the iron inside will not remove. And now I'll place it here. I'm going to tack it. You use your needle and thread to tack it with the cap. Or you use your wax candle to gum it, but make sure you tack it so that it will be firm on it. You can see it. After that, you take your rose, you place it white candle gum to hold it down with the feather. You see, then take your Alice band. Look at this middle. At the center of it, you will put your Alice band here. But make sure that when you are this art, when you are putting your wax candle, you cut a small bias, put it first on the art, gum it slightly on the art, so that the wax candle will not show on the top of the cap. Then you now place your Alice band and put your, just put your Alice band on it. And you see it? Put your Alice band and use bias to hold it in the middle here. Thank you. Thank you. Like it, share and subscribe.